The Psychology of the Billionaires 12 Habits That Can Change Your Life. Many people wonder why billionaires become so successful whilst others struggles in life. The answer is not only money or luck. Billionaires think differently. They follow the powerful habits every single day. Why do billionaires think so differently? In this video, some of these habits look crazy. So watch till the end because one habit may completely change your life. Number one is wake up early. Many billionaires wake up early in the morning. Early mornings are the quietest and the peaceful. This gives them time to think, plan, exercise, and prepare for the day. Wake up early also helps the people become more disciplined and productive. Number two is to protect your time. Billionaires understand that time is more valuable than money. Money can return, but time cannot. The successful peoples avoid wasting hours on social media, gossips, or distractions. They focus on important tasks that improve their future. Number three is read every day. Successful peoples never stops learning. Many billionaires read books daily because knowledge helps them to make smart decisions. Reading improves thinking, creativity, and the problem solving skills. Even the small daily learnings can create a huge success over time. Number four is think long terms. Average people often want quick success. Billionaires think about the future. They are willing to work hard for years to achieve the big goals, and they focus on building businesses, skills, and investments that grow slowly over the time. Number five is build strong discipline. Discipline is the one of the biggest secret of success. Billionaires work even when they do not feel motivated. They follow the routines and stay consistent. Small discipline actions repeated every day to create a powerful results. Number six is exercise regularly. Many successful people exercise daily because health is important for success. Exercise improves energy, focus, confidence, and mental strength. A strong body also helps to create a strong mind. Number seven is set clear goals. Billionaires know exactly what they want in life. They write goals and work on them daily. Goals give directions and purpose. Without goals, people often become lost and distracted. Number 8 is learn from failures. Failures does not stop successful people. Instead, it teaches them important lessons. Many billionaires failed many times before becoming successful. They understand that failure is the part of growth and improvement. Number 9 is control emotions. Billionaires stay calm during the problems and the stressful situations. They focus on solutions instead of complaining. Emotional controls help the peoples to make smarter decisions and avoid mistakes. Number 10 is smart risks. Successful peoples are not afraid to take risks. They start business, invest money, and try new ideas. Without risk, success becomes difficult. Billionaires understand that big rewards often requires courage. Number 11 is avoid negative people. The peoples around us influence our mindset. Billionaires often stay away from the negative and lazy people. They spend time with motivated and intelligent individuals who helps them to grow. Number 12 is never stop improving. Billionaires always try to become better. They improve their knowledge, habits, skills, and mindset every day. They believe growth never ends. The mindset helps them stay successful for a long time. Conclusion: the psychology of the billionaires is based on discipline, learning, focus, patience, and the smart habits. The daily routines help them achieve goals that seems impossible to others. These 12 habits may look simple, but practicing them constantly can completely change a person's life. Success does not happen overnight. It is built slowly through daily actions, and a strong thinking. If you enjoy these life changing habits, share this with your friends and start practicing at least one habit today. Do you like this video? Please like, subscribe, and comments which habits do you like.